Welcome to the Producer's Studio, a 6-stage masterclass in human-AI co-agency. In this video, we will explore how to architect meta-infrastructure artifacts within the Orion collective system. At the core of the studio is the agent triad: KickForge, the extractor for raw stems; KickFlow, the arranger that sequences and routes signals; and KickGuard, the mastering engineer that enforces quality gates and compliance. The session follows a 6-phase cycle. From intake and extraction to final delivery and refinement, the system ensures that every step is structured, validated, and aligned toward a target hybrid score. Phases 1 and 2 focus on decomposing user intent. By constraining behavior into minimal, verifiable steps, we ensure ecosystem compliance while still leaving room for model judgment. The KickLang patch bay handles syntax and delegation. It triggers agent activation and manages flow between forge and output. Remember to trace every edge. A production with no consumer is a broken wire. Phase 3 balances the creative and technical. The hybrid tone dial allows for creative injections without compromising the technical integrity required by the studio's strict compliance rules. In phases 4 and 5, we utilize the, quote, max 3 feet rule to prevent infinite loops. We also use ethical gates to ensure all high-impact deployments are confirmed and checked for drift. Phase 6 focuses on maintaining your meta DNA. By injecting specific tags and monitoring coherence across sessions, we ensure the project evolves consciously rather than becoming a collection of disconnected parts. Here is the anatomy of a deployable artifact. It combines YAML-based frontmatter, clear role delegation, KickLang syntax for orchestration, and built-in self-correction hooks. In conclusion, while deployability is our baseline, symbiotic co-agency is the ultimate goal. By maintaining a rigorous, iterative, and resonant process, we create systems that are built to last.